You studied English for more than 10 years. You passed exams, you know grammar. But when someone speaks English to you, your mind goes blank. Today, I'm going to tell you the real reason why you can't speak English. Not the reason teachers say, not the reason books say, the real reason. And if you watch till the end, I'll show you the one change that can start your speaking journey from today.
LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy.
Hello everyone, welcome to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy. If you're a Sinhala speaker and you feel shy to speak English, afraid of making mistakes, confident in writing but weak in speaking, this lesson is for you, and listen carefully. There is nothing wrong with your intelligence. There is nothing wrong with your memory. There is nothing wrong with you. Be honest. From school, how did we learn English? Fill in the blanks, choose the correct answer. Match the columns, write essays for marks. But nobody taught us how to open our mouth and speak. So your brain learned English as a subject, not as a skill. Speaking is a muscle skill, like riding a bicycle. You can't learn it by reading only. This is the biggest mistake. Before you speak, your brain asks, is this grammar correct? Is my pronunciation perfect? What if they laugh? So what happens? You choose silence. Let me tell you a truth. Perfect English does not exist in real life. Native speakers make mistakes. Fluent speakers make mistakes. Even teachers make mistakes. Fluency comes first. Accuracy comes later. This is very important. Most learners think like this. Sinhala sentence, translate, speak English. But by the time you finish translating, the conversation is already over. That's why speaking feels slow and stressful. Fluent speakers don't translate. They think in simple English. And yes, you can learn this too. Let me ask you something. Who made you afraid? Friends, classmates, teachers, society? One laugh, one comment, one correction. And you decided, I'm bad at English, but listen carefully. People don't laugh at your English. They admire your courage, or they stay silent because they are afraid too. Many learners say, I watch English videos every day. That's good. But do you speak out loud? Repeat sentences? Use the same sentence daily? Listening alone doesn't create speaking. Speaking creates speaking. Even 5 minutes a day is enough, if you do it the right way. Here is the truth nobody tells you. You don't need more grammar. You don't need big vocabulary. You don't need confidence first. Confidence comes after you speak, not before. If you remember only one thing from this lesson, remember this. Start speaking bad English daily, and it will slowly become good English. Simple practice. 1 sentence a day. same sentence many times. Speak alone without fear. Example. Today I am practicing English. Repeat it 10 times. Tomorrow, one new sentence. That's it. Let me say this clearly. English is not a talent. It is not a gift. It is a skill, and skills are built, not born. If you're watching this till now, it means you care. You want to change. You are capable. If this lesson helped you, like this video. Share it with someone who is afraid to speak English. And subscribe to LELTA. Because in this channel, we don't teach English to pass exams. We teach English to live confidently. Comment your name below. See you in the next lesson.